welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the black color crush issue test in the ROG Phone 3 after the Android 11 update. Just today morning I did do another video as well regarding the black color crush issue, but I did not update to the latest version. That's the one thing which you should definitely understand. So right now I did get the Android 11 update in this phone after receiving this device today. So let's see after the Android 11 update, after a lot of updates, did the black color crush issue got decreased in the ROG Phone 3 or not. So if you want, you can get to know more details on the playlist. If you want to watch, you can get the ROG Phone playlist which I created. You can see plenty of videos already I did upload on this phone. So make sure to check out those videos and you will get to know clear idea what is happening with this device. So I'll try to use the same sample video which I used before, and I need to turn off the lights to show you what is a black color crush issue means. So first let me to open the MX Player application. So let me to turn off the lights and I'll be back again, and here we go, last light. Yes, so now there is no lights in the room, and let me to search for the phone. Yes, I think it should be somewhere around here. Yes, yeah, I got the phone finally, and this is a effects which you can actually see without any kind of light, and it looks kind of good, not bad, little bit, but still that kind of black color crush issue is there. I think because of I'm trying to use only the 144 Hz refresh rate, I think so, that's the reason. So right now you'll be able to see that kind of black color crush issue which is happening, as you can see exactly in some areas. So in this point, yes, but if you try to decrease the refresh rate, it won't happen exactly at 90 fps. If you try to keep it, it doesn't happen. Right now try to observe the same scenario, the person walking, as you can see right now, you cannot see that much kind of black color crush issue is happening. So overall, I'll definitely advise you to use at 90 fps when you're trying to watch the videos in this ROG Phone 3 to avoid any kind of black color crush issue. Right now I'm playing exactly at 90 fps only. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it or not, but let me just slightly decrease the brightness. Yeah, let me just focus. It's very hard right now. As you can see right now 90 Hz only I'm trying to use at this point. And right now I'm trying to play the same video, and you should be able to see it. There's not much any kind of problem at this moment exactly, to be frank. Just a little bit only, friends. If you have some kind of green tint, I mean the black color crush issue, maybe you can actually do one thing, you can use only the 90 Hz. So right now try to observe again. Just a little bit black color crush issue is there. This is a quick review on the ROG Phone 3 regarding the black color crush issue. So even after the Android 11 update as well, still the problem is existing in this device. That's the one thing which I can definitely say that. So if you ask me, is it a big issue or not, I would say maybe for the media consumption kind of persons, this kind of really big issue. But if you're trying to watch a lot of movies and videos, only then. But if you want to play the games, I don't think while playing the games it's any kind of making that kind of big issue. But if you use the 90 Hz, so if you use the 90 Hz refresh rate, you can actually decrease at least little bit. You can actually minimize. You cannot avoid that, but you can actually minimize that kind of effect. That's the reason which I can actually say that. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and overall this is a really good phone for the gaming purpose, and unfortunately we are seeing this kind of problem, but still, so it's really beast one solid, and I'll try to do plenty of videos very soon, so stay tuned for those videos as well. So meanwhile, thank you for watching, signing off, and bye.